Welcome to the Advanced Software Architecture course. My name is Michel Chaudron, and this is the lecture on Quantitative Analysis of Software Architecture, Part 1. This lecture presents systematic quantitative approaches to analyzing software architectures. We will focus on performance and reliability. The methods we present will help to identify potential performance and reliability problems. Moreover, these methods can be used to verify that systems meet their quality objectives. In this lecture, we will give a fairly high-level overview of a performance analysis method. Performance analysis is a large and mature area of scientific study, and there are many good textbooks around. If you want to delve in a bit more detail in performance engineering, we propose that you start with this book by Smith and Williams. The method that we will present in this lecture is based on this book. In the overall design process of a software system, performance should be taken into account in all phases, starting from the planning up to and including the testing and maintenance. Certainly in the architecture design phase, performance is often an important driver for the architecture design. There are guidelines and methods that support performance engineering for every phase of development. There are several myths or fake arguments about the possibility of addressing performance and reliability in system development. When you hear someone mention these arguments, you should be on your guard. In this lecture, we will show some basic methods that will allow you to create an initial performance model of a system, and it will help you perform some basic performance analysis. Often, such models are fairly simple and require estimations of load and performance. But this is often fine, and these estimates can be refined as the design process proceeds. The lecture Quantitative Analysis of Architectures Part 1 is now finished. Thanks for watching and see you in the next session.